This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, June the 19th, 2015. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We still have a zonal flow across the northern tier of the country. You can see a disturbance over the middle Mississippi River Valley as the remnants of what was once Bill. It's going to be moving along the Ohio River Valley and up into the mid-Atlantic states through the rest of today and into this weekend as well. They'll be keeping a lot of the precipitation away from the state here today, so it'll be mainly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s to lower middle 80s across the state with mainly sunny skies, maybe a few more clouds late in the day, and that'll be ahead of this next storm system that's going to be coming in late tonight through the day on Saturday into early Sunday. Some of the storms Saturday afternoon could become strong to severe. Damaging wind and large hail look to be the main threats at this point. Readings will be much warmer in the upper 80s to maybe some lower 90s in some areas, but it'll be a lot cooler on Sunday as temperatures fall back to a couple degrees either side of 80. It'll be mainly dry on Sunday, and it's going to be not very dry for the next couple of days after that. So we start on Monday. Showers and thunderstorms are possible. Now, will it be during the day? That's up in the air at this point. We could have evening storms into the overnight, nocturnal thunderstorms that end in the morning hours and then the daylight is dry. Or we could have storms all day and it's cooler. That's still up in the air at this point. You can see here on Tuesday it looks to be somewhat dry, but we can't rule out an isolated shower storm at pretty much about any time of the day. Wednesday, you see, it still looks quite showery across the area, and it all depends with this stalled frontal system between this hot bubble of air across the south and cooler air to the north. The firing line is going to be right over the state. Now, on Thursday, that front lifts further to the north. So, if this is right, Thursday could be quite warm, highs well into the 80s, maybe near 90. But if that front is further south, the temperatures are back down and it's rainy. So Thursday could be fairly dry. As we look into Friday, next Friday, in fact, you can see there's that ridge over the south and west, back into the southeast, centered pretty much over the Four Corners region, but we have a couple of disturbances moving along the northern periphery of that. One will be moving out into the Great Lakes. Another is going to be moving across the Plain States. We could get numerous rounds of these overnight convection, but we can't really time them out that well. But going into the extended period, this is on June the 30th, big trough over the east. We've been seeing this the last couple of days. This is much deeper and much bigger than the last couple of frames. Big trough and a big ridge over the west. With this trough, this would be fairly showery and cold for late June standards, maybe highs in the 70s with clouds and a bit of rain around. We'll have to see if this continues. The end of the period is the 4th of July, and don't freak out about what you'll see on the next image. You see pretty much the main storm track into western Canada and kind of over the northern tier of the country, bit of a ridge over the south and west, and this is what we don't want to freak people out about. It shows a system moving through with some showers and thunderstorms possible on Independence Day. This would be an Independence Day evening. Don't cancel plans yet. This is not set in stone. Satellite image from last evening, you see the remnants of Tropical Storm Bill over Oklahoma, Arkansas, into far southern Missouri. This will slowly continue to move to the east. Our next storm system is over Montana and into Canada with some showers and storms there at that point. The Watch Warning Map from last evening, we had some flood issues across the middle Mississippi River Valley with the remnants of Bill, some heat issues over the southwest, the Carolinas, and some severe weather up in the northern Black Hills into southeastern Montana. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall amounts around here generally averaging between a half to 1 inch. Some places may get more than that. Lots of rain across the area where Bill is.